So all in all, if they never watched till the end, they wouldn't understand. But based on what I think, if cheating is inevitable, I say yes. But here why. Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard, and on today's episode, Why Not Wednesdays, we'll be having a conversation about is cheating or is born inevitable. You see what I say? Before, I just like to apologize for a few missing episodes. However, I'll be making up for it with some vlogs. I have some vlogs put on for you on phone and some Saturday videos put on phone. We just need to shoot up some more. Why Not Wednesdays? As usual, leave the comments down below and let me know suggestions, etc, etc, etc. I mean, I have suggestions, I just haven't been getting the time to shoot the content, if that makes sense. But I've been doing some vlogs, you see what I say? So, summer content are come. But yeah, been a while since we're there, so been a while since we just have a Why Not Wednesday, let's chill and a chat. Anything will come to mind. As usual, if you've made it this far, as usual, before you start the video, like and share with a friend and comment, you know the vibe. Yeah. Is cheating inevitable or is born inevitable? Before I start talking, ask you, have you ever cheated before?
Unfortunately, yes, because we are humans and, sometimes the flesh is weak.
Or the mind is weak to the flesh? No? Yes? No?
Something like that about the flesh is weak, but yeah, that.
Alright, so before we go to the topic, is born inevitable or is cheating inevitable? Why did you cheat? Alright, first of all, I'm not pressure ask you alone. I have cheated before. Not pressure ask you alone, but why did you cheat?
At that point in time, I could say that I knew what I had in terms of like.
Talk to people them man.
I knew what I had in terms of like the woman or the girl I had. It's just before that I didn't explore enough to the.
You felt tied down too early. Is it that?
No, wait.
So like that says come clear then.
No, I was saying that like I haven't explored enough to know what I wanted. You see me? So the girl that I had then she was nice and all, but I needed other things. and I went out of the relationship for it.
So all in all, big up yourself, mama. It's not you, it's me. That's basically what Aske is saying.
But
should we say greed? Because I'm pretty sure that the comments in my spam and I say greed right now. Oh, you're greedy, da, da, da. So was it greed? Or is it that you were unsatisfied? Unsatisfied.
You see me? And
but they were gonna ask the question, why never leave?
Why I never leave? It was hard just the whole fact say just admitting that to her would have been like I didn't want to see her cry. Yes, we know.
So instead of hurting her feelings.
I know.
Okay.
In the moment, that wasn't really like running across the brain. But what I came to realize though, I think me hear Carter say something about if you ever you can't get your own type of girl in terms of like your dream girl.
Yeah. You
have to spend some money and bill her yourself. You see me?
I never heard Cartel say that in my life.
Nah man, there's a video there man. When him say
oh, like my talk?
Yeah.
A song alone can't ever sing, when he says that.
See me bro, so it's like so any girl me get no.
I'm not pressure. Say your final point, okay? So like stress out go back in your memory and baiting.
Yeah man, no feel it. Nah. Like you feel bad as age. It wasn't a good thing, but
Alright, so boom. So we can agree that, it was because you weren't satisfied. Unless you were greedy. Alright. So do you think if you were satisfied, right? If you were in the relationship satisfied, you'd be inclined to cheat, or your curiosity would lead you to cheat outside? Because I've cheated before and it was due to pure curiosity and greed, because I mean when you cheat, you always a search for something else. If I be honest.
Yeah.
But I cheated before, and it was it was due to curiosity and just pure greed. Because me did one time, me dig bun, and me never half a bun. God no, I swear upon my life. One time me give bun, and me never half a bun. There was nothing except curiosity. You see me? But like, me regret it, but at the same time, me not regret it. You get what I'm saying? Because it's like, me regret some me do that because like, yo, it's stronger than that. But at the same time, me not regret some me do that because like, now you know, or now you say, alright dog, like if I do with a girl and she do everything, you don't need to step out because of curiosity. You see me? So moving forward, I have that knowledge now. You see me? A question somebody me did talk to somebody about yesterday ask you. You feel like it is natural to be monogamous? Or you feel like we are forced ourselves to be monogamous? Do you think we're forcing monogamy on ourselves?
Forcing?
And but give credit where due to go, let's be honest. Them they said this in a one podcast, say yo, if you're looking at the animal kingdom, you see me? It's rare that you see one animal to one animal. Them just a do. Them just a do. I never see one dog say, nah, this a dog alone me deal with. I never see one lion say, yo, lion stick to them paw. No. If we have 1 male lion and be a 1 lion, no. You get what I'm saying? So it's just like, do you feel like we're forcing ourselves to be monogamous because of today's society or because it is what's accepted?
If you probably like from the spiritual side of things, it being an ethical thing to do is to stick with one partner based on how the energies and transfer of energies. And
so you think that people who are in polygamous relationships, you think it won't last? You think it can?
I don't think it would, you know.
You don't think so?
I don't think.
You don't think a polygamous relationship can be successful?
No, I don't think so.
Why?
Because they're gonna always go out and explore more.
Let's say I trade him. Let's say I just trade him.
Nah, go stick to just 3.
Alright, let's agree to disagree. Because I just feel like say if people put their mind to it, like it can work. If
So why people can't put their mind to monogamy?
No, I'm not saying it can't work. I'm asking if we're forcing ourselves to be. Because I know that I can be monogamous. You see what I say? I've done it before. I've also been in a monogamous relationship and cheated before. You get what I say? But when I say, me know say me can do it. I'm gonna say I have no people out there who can do it. You see what I say? But the reason I ask that is because with the talk about is cheating inevitable or is born inevitable. So I say, if I want a case where you genuinely feel like say you want to this you want, but you're forcing upon yourself, then it don't come down the line and say I go cheat. You get what I say? Because some persons get in a relationship and them stick to the person because the person want them stick to them. Them don't want to say, oh, are you alone forever? Make sense? Them do it for the person. So because them force themselves to be monogamous, they may not cheat or step out.
Yeah, for sure.
You get what I'm saying? So that's why clearly me don't know I'm not have answers for this question. But guys, I'm still learning, clearly. Clearly, I'm young. So let me know in the comments, guys, do you think it is natural to be monogamous, or do you think we just conform to it because of society's bounds or rules, the societal norms? Just let me know in the comments if you feel like it is natural to be monogamous. But based on what I think, if cheating is inevitable, I say yes. But here why? I don't say no. Let me tell you why. I feel like there's always going to be something where a man or a woman are gonna do, what their partner are gonna consider as them not being faithful. For example, if you have a girlfriend and an ex-girl asks for your number, and you give her, some girls will classify that as cheating. Even though you have no intent, because she can ask you why your intention of giving the girl the number, all that. Even if you don't text the girl, you know, why you give her your number. You get what I'm saying? So stuff like that, like every girl I will consider that as cheating. If me DM a girl, I just try to talk to her. Why you talk to her? Why your intentions? So you look friend. You get what I'm saying? So I just feel like say based on that, everybody is I just feel like cheating is, it will come along, it's inevitable. Because I'm pretty sure say, I'm pretty sure say if my go woman Ray in our relationship, that's why you have to search for no. Because I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something you know approve of. You get what I'm saying? So, cause me as a man, me no want to see certain things. You get what I'm saying? Me no want to see certain things. May I be honest? And cause jealousy are one big part of me. I'm a jealous person. Yeah, me jealous with nothing. Jealous with my friend, them jealous with me in our relationship. I'm a jealous person. Me not show it because like me not controlling. You know what I'm saying? So while me jealous, me trying to be controlling. So me would have classified things with my partner that was cheating.
But I think it all boils down to like self-control.
Self-control, but yeah, your partner go trust you, but him not go trust the person. You got hear the talk there. Say, oh, I trust you, but just don't trust she. You know what I'm saying? Or oh, you know what? So sometimes cheating, your partner we say them not worry about you, they more worry about the person, because they may trust you, but they don't trust people. You know what I'm saying?
And also there come in the argument say, oh, it is said that for every girl or every guy, there's always that one person that can get if you do that. Like,
Alright.
you know?
Alright, pre. You have a girlfriend. You see me? You have a girlfriend and she have this one guy best friend. All you go on in your head, be honest to God. All you go on in your head. Now, in my your replacement, the entire time, that's all in my head. You know? Say, yo, after me, I demand it. Me sure. After me, I him. And if I not after me, I him, you and him, I go there one day in the future. Like, it'll go boil down to you and him one day. You get what I'm saying? So, I not really trust certain things, you know. You see me? I just feel like so the more we put ourselves in a certain position, so the more, the easier it become for cheating to take place. So, I don't feel like, oh, people are going to cheat by always stepping out and having sex with somebody else. You see me? However, I feel like, because cheating comes in a different forms. So, you know, if you have sex to cheat, you know, one time somebody look funny, you know. Not even going to cap. Not even going to cap. One time somebody look funny until they start be fair and look funny and say, yo, if my girl does certain things, would I pre it? You see me? Because why you take my number? Why you give me the number? One time I do funny and say, yo, if I don't have sex, I don't cheat. But, give your points, man. Give your points, man. Because I've been a chat enough. The tea are cool now. Give your points, man.
Was it being inevitable or not? I don't think it's inevitable because I just, as me feel about it, it comes down to self-discipline, self-control. And you see, yes, you might, but how may I say this now? Yeah, if you put your mind to it, and if you're serious about it, fine. But you have some times where you falter. You see me? That.
Because my question is, oh, you're going to know everything with your partner not like.
True.
Because some things you might not like, you know. No, some things you might not mind. But to your partner, that's a no, that's a red flag.
And then they might bring up compromise now.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because, alright, if my partner they out and she give him her number, right? I want to knock her number. You text her, she block him. But there's nothing wrong with that. Cool. You see me? If me do that, my partner go say, oh, so where you get her number from? Even if my intention was to like when she text me block her. You get what I'm saying? So it's just a case of, I mean, can't even say communication because you're never gonna know everything about somebody.
True.
As much as we go on, like you're never gonna know every single thing about somebody. You can't know what people are think. Why does stress you out, dog? Why does stress you out?
Because I wouldn't say it easy, but I just feel as if, yo, when you have your one-on-one and everything just gel together, you might have a rough time then, but you know, it come with communication.
I ain't even go cap. It better if you have one-on-one, dog. It feel better in the soul.
Yes.
You feel at peace. When you have a one girl, and just uno, and if troubles come, you communicate well and talk about it, and you see what I'm saying? But in a them relationship, you know, where you not cheat, she not cheat, communication have to be a big part. Because me are for you and you are for me. You get me I say? Like, we are the person to each other. But now I say, oh, you're not going to be a friend him or whatever. You get me I say? However, when things go terribly wrong, why you wouldn't come to me?
True.
You see what I say?
Yeah.
So you better if you have one girl, but not gonna lie, like me feel like polygamous relationship them can work.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? But to me, the less people you have to deal with intimately, I better.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? So in my head, it better feel like one woman and it just better feel like you just have a steady relationship and go. You know, I go through and yeah, your partner start kick it. But if you do, as like in my head, if you don't want cheating take place or if you want to eliminate the factor of, you know, bun, cheating and all that, it's always like communication. Me have to know what more you want me to do.
True.
You have to know what more me. You get me say? I just feel like that. Me have to know what more you want me to do and you have to communicate.
Back to the
You have to talk low, my friend.
back to the best friend thing.
Yeah.
James like you right about the male best friend, but what about the guys who have their female best friends?
Nah, me in a relationship, me not a female best friend.
Like, cool.
And that's point blank.
Is it because
I mean, like I'm telling you. If you have a relationship, if female best friend, she can't go be my female friend. It's the best friend part, you have a cut out that because like certain things have to go drop.
Yep.
You see what I'm saying? So whilst you can have a relationship, you can have a male best friend or a female best friend now, opposite relationship, as long as there are boundaries established. Me personally, me just don't do it. Me know say it can be done.
You can always slip up, you know.
Yeah, me know say it can be done and you establish boundaries, but me just don't do it.
You can always slip up.
I mean, me
Like
I go always
your mind
truth is,
is-
you know, me I go always have female friends. You see me? I like when I go always have female friends, I go always have male best friend. But the closeness, so it will come to a point where best friend,
Different.
that have to go drop. You see me? That part they have to go drop. The best friend part have to go drop. The everyday communication part have to go drop. The on the phone constant that have to go drop. Because if we not a relationship,
Anything can happen, you know.
if we not a relationship, we not a relationship.
Imagine all of the clothes, like best friend type of clothes with a female. They over house and them thing. Yo, anything can go wrong in a relationship in a friend. I just feel a bit.
Yes, one let them put some breasts. You know them just want let them put
Your
some breasts.
female
Sometimes
best
I
friend
just-
happen to have breasts too.
Sometimes I just want let them put some breasts.
So,
You
you
know?
know?
Sometimes I just want cuddle, be a big spoon.
You know them vibe there.
You know the vibe.
Yeah.
I just want to be a big spoon sometimes.
So,
So that's why I say, certain things different because me can't so comfortable with it, me can't, you know? So, all in all,
but when you establish a thing, you know, to the females, them say, yo, this male best friend thing, yeah.
now if I ever go on, if you don't feel like say it's appropriate to have a male best friend while in a relationship, do you? Me not feel like brother, if me and a girl there, as close to the man, I'm sus for the whole time. I swear to God, me not no peace. Me not no peace. I'm sus for the whole dog. Me I pray them on God.
Because you see the whole thing.
You want to tell the what? I'm
Steve
telling you what?
Harvey.
You want to know what about me to dog? When things switch up. So all along you and the youth are close, but as soon as we in that picture, oh, you only text him mom in a dede. You only accept calls from him mom in a dede. That's sus, brother. Why you can't answer him call on me dede, dog? You get what I'm saying? I mean, clearly not gonna run on the phone all the time on me dede, but why you can't answer one call on me dede? Why you can't text him? No, brother, me sus that dog. Me sus that, bro. Me feel like you give me a bone and not say nothing.
Yeah. as real as it gets.
God do it. Yo, me feel like you give me bone. It's true, me like start certain conflict. Me feel like you give me bone and not say nothing, dog.
Yeah.
Me sit down tonight, dog, and said, Johnny. I said, Johnny, let's get this video. But all in all, we'll wrap up because this will touch 20 minutes. And you know, are you have more for say? We can chat enough.
Nah, man, just me still want to give them a story time.
You want to give them a story time?
But next time.
No, we'll stop this and do a story time right now. So, guys, all in all, it's weird. It's weird. You can't. Cheating depends on the person and the relationship. Yeah, make sense. So, I don't feel like cheating inevitable, but I just feel like it's inevitable that you do something that your partner will
Not like.
or disapprove of.
Yeah.
You see me?
So you wouldn't probably call it as cheating?
But your partner gonna say, nah, you diss me.
Yeah.
You see me? So all in all, if they never watch till the end, they wouldn't understand or hear the wrap up. But if you made it this far, or if you watch to the end, Big up yourself. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Working on some more content for you guys. But thank you for watching. Big up on yourself. Megan.